Hello everyone, welcome to SRBPS online classes.
Yes students, today we are going to cover a topic which is properties of GP. Listen very carefully as it is most important topic. What is the first property of a GP? If all the terms of a GP be multiplied or divided by the same non-zero constant, then it remains a GP with the same common ratio. इट मीन्स अगर हम एक जीपी की सारी टर्म्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं या डिवाइड करते हैं सेम नॉन जीरो कांस्टेंट के साथ, तो वो हमारी एक जीपी ही रहती है एंड देयर कॉमन रेशियो रिमेन सेम. सपोज लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. वी हैव अ जीपी लाइक 2, 4, 8, 16. ठीक है. What I am doing here, I will multiply all the terms by 3. I am multiplying here all the terms by 3. What I will get students? 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 24, 3 16s are 48. So now see here, if we are talking about this one GP, here the common ratio is, 4/2 which is equal to 2. But if we are talking about this GP, then R will be equal to A2 by A1, that is 12 by 6. That is 12 by 6, which is equal to also 2. It means in both of the GPs, common ratio is same. है ना? So the first property implies that if we multiply or divide by a non-zero constant to all the terms of a GP, then the resulting sequence will also be a GP, but their common ratio will be also same. So this is our first property. Yes students, property number 2. What it is saying, the reciprocals of terms of a given GP also forms a GP. Let us understand it with the help of example. Suppose we have a GP 2, 4, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Suppose we people have this GP. ठीक है. Now what this property is saying, if we will find out the reciprocal of all the terms, then that will be also a GP. Let's see it. The GP is 2, 4, 8, 16. So when I am finding the reciprocal of these terms, what I will get? 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16. This will be the reciprocal only. Now we have to see whether this resulting sequence which has come here, is it a GP or not. And to see this whether it is a GP or not, we will find out here common ratio. ठीक है. So as 1 by 4 by 1 by 2, 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2, it will be equal to what? It will be equal to students 1 by 2 only. Now if I am finding A3 by A2, that is 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4, then also I will get 1 by 2 only. It means this is our GP. So what is the conclusion from here? कि अगर हम GP की सारे terms का reciprocal कर देते हैं, then the resulting sequence will be also a GP. Yes students, what is our third property? Property number 3 says 3 non-zero numbers. 3 non-zero numbers A, B, C are in a GP if B square is equal to AC. Then how we will prove this property students? Just have a look over here. If I am saying A, B, C are in a GP, so I can derive the result from here that their common ratio will be same. If the common ratio is same, then what I can say students? I can say B by A will be equal to C by B, because their common ratio is same as it is a GP. So now what we will do? We will do cross multiplication. And what we will get from here? B square is equal to A into C. So it means if the three terms like A, B, C, if they will be in a GP, then there will be holded a relationship, that is B square is equals to AC. Yes, students, what is our property number 4? Property number 4 says, if the terms of a given GP are chosen at the regular intervals, then the new sequence formed also forms a GP. Suppose, students, we have a GP like the same example I am giving over here, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Suppose we have a GP which is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. As we know, it is a GP where common ratio is equal to 2. Now what we will do here, we will choose the terms at a regular intervals. It means we will skip the one term in between and then we will take next term. See how? Suppose I am taking 2. ठीक है, now I am skipping 4, I am taking 8. अब इसी तरीके से मैंने 16 को छोड़ दिया, now I am taking 32. Now we have to see whether this is a GP or not. See here, how we'll come to know about it? By knowing about its common ratio. If it is same, then we will say it is a GP, otherwise no. Now how we will find the common ratio here, students? We will find like in this manner, 8 by 2 should be equal to 32 upon में 8. And 8 by 2 is what? 8 by 2 is 4. And 32 by 8 is what? That is also 4. It means 4 is equals to 4. So it means what is the result? That if the terms of a given GP are chosen at the regular intervals, then the new sequence formed also forms a GP. This is our property number 4. Yes, students, what is our property number 5? In a finite GP, the product of the terms equidistant from beginning and end is same and is equal to the product of first and last term. As we have done this the same property in a AP as well, so I think it do not need that much description. Everyone knows what this property is saying कि एक finite GP के अंदर if we are finding the product of the terms which are equidistant from beginning and end, that will be always same and that will be always equal to product of the first and last term.